most traded currency pairs in the foreign exchange market are known as the majors. They account for most of the daily turnover in the market. They combine the US dollar and a currency of a major economy country. These are the euro to US dollar, the British pound to US dollar, the Australian dollar to US dollar, the New Zealand dollar to US dollar, the US dollar to the Swiss franc, the US dollar to the Canadian dollar, and the US dollar to the Japanese yen. The majors are very liquid, meaning that one can buy and sell large amounts of these pairs anytime without really affecting or even manipulating their exchange rate. Also, they are very popular, and therefore the cost of trading these pairs is relatively low, hence tighter spreads. Moreover, volatility and wild swings in price are not one of their characteristics or features. Euro-US dollar is the most popular currency pair of all, as it combines the currencies of two of the world's strongest economies.